Hi, my name is Raimundo and this is Leolina.
Welcome, friends. Welcome to G4 Geomatic Resources. This is where the magic happens. Located in Stafford, Texas, at 1810 Cravens Road. This is where you can find us. You can reach us at 713-779-0900. If you have any questions, we're here to help. Hey, that's John, one of our team members. He is the scanning savant. He knows everything there is to know about the latest in scanning tools. This is where we do the training and also test all the new equipment that we have. There's also a big water tower. This is Ronald, a local math scientist, certified technician from Leica itself. He can fix everything you need. This is the lobby of the store, where we greet you and figure out what you need. Here you can find anything from field books to pencils to tapes, paint cans, anything. This is the back of the property where you can find all the hand tools. We sell a variety of shovels, hammers, prisms, prism bags, tripods, everything you need. And we also have some of the oldest and rarest connections that you might need for any of your equipment that you have. This is the back of the property. We have all sort of surveying and construction supplies, from flagging, whiskers. Please do not eat the flagging. We also sell lath. We have pine and poplar, from 36 to 48 inches, whatever you need. We have hubs, we have paint, we have 60 nails, 80 nails, 100 nails, whatever you need. We also sell fresh cut iron rods, 5/8, ½ inch, different sizes. Did I mention we deliver? Minimal purchase required. Did you drop your equipment? Got hit by lightning? Dog got your leg? Your tripod, that is. No problem. Here we have fully stocked shop for all your repair needs. How about your CCP? Is it expired? Customer care packages are amazing because they allow you to upgrade your software and everything that you need, and you'll have us at break a call if you have it. And this is Stacy, the office manager. And this is Bruno, our official greeter and security enforcer. This is Jeff, aka the boss. You probably see him on YouTube showing you how to use Captivate and all sort of surveying techniques. He's been doing it for years. And this is where you can have him all to yourself. All you have to do is just ask for a demo or a class, and he will be happy to show you everything you need to know. You actually can have any one of us, either John or myself. I hope you have enjoyed this tour of our home. Come see us anytime. Thank you.